We are going to, this actually example 3, so we're going to draft out the bus admittance matrix of this interconnected power system network. As we already discussed in the previous video, I told you guys that the first thing to do is to bring out the self-admittance as well as the mutual admittance. So the self-admittance, Y11. Self-admittance is all the admittance connected to bus 1, as we can see. This is bus 1, and the admittance connected to bus 1 is the minus J10 from the right and minus J10 from the left and from the right. Then we have minus J10 here and minus J10 here, both connected to bus 1. So simply the buses connected to 1 is minus J10 minus J10, which will give us minus J20. Then we have Y22. Y22 is simply all the buses connected to bus 2, that's bus 2 here, and the admittance connected to bus 2 is J10 and J20. So we have minus J10 minus J20, which is equal to minus J10. So then the next is Y33. Then of course, if you watch, you find that we have 4 buses here. Definitely our matrix, the resulting matrix must be a 4x4 matrix, as we discussed earlier, that we will have 4 buses. We are expecting a 4x4 matrix as the resulting matrix. So we have our Y33. Of course, we're going to have our Y33 up to Y44. So Y33 is all the admittance connected to bus 3, which are J10, minus J10, minus J20, and minus J4. So these are the 3 admittances connected to bus 3, and that form the basis of Y33. So the admittances are minus J10, minus J20, minus J4. Of course, we have minus J34. That's minus J10, minus J20, minus J4 equals minus J34. So the last is J44. It's the last self-admittance. So of course, the admittance is connected to bus 4 is J20, J10, and J8. So 1, 2, 3 are the admittances connected to bus 4, and that form the basis of Y44. So we have minus J20. The next admittance to bus 4 is minus J10. The next admittance is minus J8. So definitely we have a minus J38. So we're done with the self-admittance. Let's get to the mutual admittance. The mutual admittance that I've stated earlier before now, they are the admittances between 2 buses. The admittance between 2 buses is the mutual admittance. Let's watch it out here. The admittance between bus 1, of course, bus 1 is not connected to bus 2. See, this bus 1 and this bus 2, and they are not connected. So we have Y12 is equal to Y21, which is equal to 0. And 0 means that 1 is not connected to 2, so we have 0. Then the next mutual admittance is Y13. Is 1 connected to 3? Let's check it out. Of course, definitely 1 is connected to 3. And of course, the admittance there is minus J10. So Y13 from the previous experience, Y13 is the same thing as Y31, which is equal to negative Y13. And what is Y13? And then affect the answer, alter the answer with the negative sign, then you have your answer for both Y13 and I31. So what Y13 minus J10? So we have minus into minus J10, and that is J10. Then the next mutual admittance is y14. Actually, is 1 connected to 4? Oh, fine. 1 is not connected to 4. So y14 is equal to y41, which is equal to 0, because there is no connection between there's no connection between bus 1 and bus 4. So the admittance between bus 1 and 4 is equal to 0. So we have y23 is equal to y32. Let's know what happens. Is bus 2 connected to bus 3? This is bus 3 and this is bus 2. They ain't connected. They are not connected. So bus 2 and bus 3 are not connected. So we have 0. So the next mutual admittance is y24. y24 is equally y42. But the question is y4 connected to y2? That's it's bus 2 connected to bus 4. This is bus 2 and this is bus 4. So the admittance between bus 2 and 4 is J10. Is J10. So definitely we are going to have minus y24. That's minus y24 minus y24. y24 is equal to y42, which is negative y24. So negative, what is y24? y24 is minus j10, which is equal to j10 in positive. Just j10, that's negative j10, because here is positive. j10 is positive, so we are fed to negative, we have negative j10 there. So the next we're going to talk about now is y34. y34 is equal to y43, but let's know if bus 3 is connected to bus 4. Definitely the admittance between there is an admittance between bus 3 and 4. So that's how we know our mutual admittance. Admittance between two buses. So there is an admittance between bus 4 and bus 3, which is minus J20. So definitely y34 is equal to y43, which is equal to negative y34. And that is equal to negative bracket. What is our y34? Definitely y34 is minus J20. We have minus J20, which is equal to positive J20. So we have listed all the possible mutual admittance, and now it is time to draw the y, to map out the y box. Y box must be a 4x4 square matrix, so that we have y11, y12, y21, and y12, y13, y14. We have y21, y22, y23, y24. We have y31, y32, y33, and y34. Finally, y41, y42, y43, and y44. And this is equal to. What is our y11? y11 is minus J20. We have minus J20. Then, of course, y12 is not connected, so we have 0. y13 is J10. What about y14? y14 is not connected, 0. Then row 2, y21 is not connected, 0. y22 here is minus J30. Minus J30. y23 is not connected, 0. Y24 is minus J10. The top rule, Y31 or A31, what is it? Okay, J10. Y31 is J10. Y32 is 0. Y33 is minus J34. And Y34 is J20. Y34, am I right? Yeah, that's J20, Y34. Then Y41, is it connected? 0. And Y42 is minus J10. Y43, of course, same as Y34, so we have J20. Finally, Y44 to the last self-admittance, that's minus J38. Minus J38. So this is your final answer for the boss admittance matrix of this very network. As you can see, we are having a 4x4 matrix as our final answer. Like I said before, when you have a 4x4, we have a 4 bosses, you must learn at a 4x4 matrix. When the bosses in the question is 3 bosses, you are having a 3x3 matrix as your final answer. So I'll end this video now, and that's all about boss admittance matrix. But if there is any question you have, do well to put it in the comment section. There is any question, you type a question in the comment section. There is any topic at all as far as command system is concerned you want us to look into, just put it there and ensure you like, comment and share. Thank you and have a wonderful day.